Ticket office. And the boat that takes you to Boldt. So here we are at Uncle Sam's Boat Tours to take us to Boldt Island. Okay, so here we are going to Boldt Castle. Not only did the love of his life die before they had the house built, vandals destroyed this house. Thank goodness for good people who are restoring it. Oh my gosh, look at that.
This plaster work and everything in here, that had been done, so most of that is original. Oh, wow. But, like, interior stuff, tiling, other woodwork, none of it had been done. Wow. So it's basically just the superstructure.
So when they acquired Boldt Castle, it was unfinished, and so they're slowly putting it back together. So the third floor is unfinished, and they're in the process of restoring it from years of being empty and being vandalized. You can see where people just wrote onto the wall. Yes, they have a swimming pool. This place is so cool. This place is amazing. Check it out. Alexandria Bay, New York.